With conventional one-piece interchangeable milling cutters, the complete tool has to be replaced after a certain time due to the heavy signs of wear on the front face section of the cutting edges, even though the remaining cutting edges show no signs of wear. Guhring has developed a two-piece milling cutter consisting of an interchangeable head and an ingenious chuck. Instead of replacing the complete milling cutter, the head can be replaced in seconds when required. This not only preserves resources, but also saves a lot of working time and reduces machine downtime. Furthermore, tool life is clearly extended thanks to the increased number of cutting edges, and the cycle time is reduced multifold. Simply brilliant, a true blue idea from Guhring. When the interchangeable head is inserted into the basic body, the locating pin prevents the cutting edges of the milling head from coming into contact with the basic body, and the risk of edge damage is minimized. The chuck is tightened using the supplied torque screwdriver via a special clamping sleeve with worm gear, which optimally transfers the enormous clamping force to the milling head. The tightening torque is achieved with a torque screwdriver. Simply brilliant, a true blue idea from Guhring.